Hi everyone. If you're using Photoshop Elements 2026, there's something new and exciting for you. Free AI prompts that you can use with the Generate Image and Insert Object features. Just go to my pseguide.com and click on the AI Prompts section. You'll see two main features: Generate Image and Insert Object. Generate Image helps you create entire backgrounds using AI, while Insert Object lets you add new decorative elements or objects into your photo. When you open the AI Prompts section, you'll find several easy-to-explore categories: family memories, nature and seasons, travel and adventure, artistic and abstract, and more. Inside each category, you'll see a long list of ready-to-use prompts that you can simply copy and paste into Photoshop Elements 2026. Now let me show you a few examples. Just copy any of these prompts. Go to Photoshop Elements 2026, open the Generate Image panel, paste the prompt, and click Generate. You'll instantly get 4 different AI-generated variations for each prompt, each with its own unique look and lighting. For example, here's one called Spring Garden with Blooming Daffodils and Crocuses. Look how beautifully it creates a bright, colorful landscape. Or Foggy Morning in Misty Woodland, which gives a calm, realistic forest mood. Then there's Cute Cartoon-style Pets on watercolor background, perfect for pet lovers and scrapbook projects. And even festive prompts like Holiday Background with Christmas lights and pine garland, great for holiday cards and decor. Every prompt gives you 4 beautiful options to choose from, so you can easily pick your favorite version and use it in your photo projects. So go ahead and explore my pseguide.com, open the AI Prompts section, and try these free ready-to-use ideas with Photoshop Elements 2026. You'll love how easy it is to create amazing, professional-looking results with just a few clicks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more Photoshop Elements tutorials and AI inspiration.